In 10 days from TridentZ, is this going to be a flagship killer? Let's find out. In the box you will find a 120 watt charger, converter for Europe, well, if you live in a different country they will send you a different one, cable, SIM card tool, case, which is very soft, and device. Look at that beautiful device. It is a little bit fingerprint magnet, but bag looks very nice. Case, is it going to protect your camera? Yes, it will. Is it going to protect the screen? Yes, it will. All around. It feels very nice in the hand. There's a beautiful... Of course, there's a plastic pre-install on the screen. Fingerprint sensor, quick. Really quick. And it gives you that feedback, the vibration feedback, which for obvious reason I cannot show you. Again, it's satisfying. There's a satisfying feedback all around the smartphone. Goes from down there all around to somewhere. It's amazing. Anyway, 120 Hertz screen. I already installed a couple of my apps like YouTube, Speed Test, Iron, and Google Maps. Also, Google Wallet. If we go to the speed test, like you can see, we do have 5G. And hit it. Do remember that we are inside the studio. Wow, that's... Whoa, 200 in the studio. Through the walls. Very impressive. 200. All right. 214. Okay, stop with the advertising. And 11, of course, upload is lower. Do remember we are in the studio and we do have how many bars? Going into the settings, my device, we do have Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which is also in the ultra flagship smartphones, and this is like half the price, even less than half the price. Of course, link in the description. 5,000 mAh battery, 16 GB of RAM. You can expand it to +4 if you wanted to, but I won't do that. High resolution, 6.67 screen with OLED screen. And of course, cameras 50-12 and 50 in front, 16. So the specs are insanely great. We do have pretty cool wallpapers, but I think I have to download them first. Do I? Nice. Wow, that is cool. Benchmark. 1,900,000 points. That's the regular score for the ultra premium flagships for 2024 and Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. So it's basically the same. What about storage test? Well, UFS 4. We have tremendous score, even bigger than some of the flagships. We have different brands. We have 1,700 in the read and 1,100, almost 200, in the write, which is a phenomenal score. What does that mean? It means multitasking will be no problemo, at least on the benchmark. Well, in real life, we're going to find out. But if those numbers doesn't mean anything, I have a different benchmark, which is 2,000. Wow, this is a similar score to Galaxy S23 Ultra or 4 Ultra. Look, Galaxy S24, basically 4 Plus. That's the same score with the Exynos. Okay, Ultra is a little bit like 100 points more. It's basically the same. 100 points, that's nothing. That's... And in the multi, is a little bit lower. In the multi, maybe because of the cooling, maybe it was too hot. Who knows what happened, but it's way above S23 Plus, but a little below S24. Now remember that this is like quarter of the price of the Galaxy S24, but those numbers doesn't mean anything if we cannot game. So let's game and let's see how good it is in gaming. Let's switch the weapon. Oh my, the gaming on this smartphone is amazing. Winning! Camera. And in the camera department, let's start with a Pro. And in the Pro, we do have... Let me put it a little bit closer. All right, just like that. In the Pro, we do have watermark 50 megapixel, aspect ratio basically all of them. Timer, bust, and 50 megapixel if you want. If you want to make 50 megapixel with documents. So scanning the documents. Maybe we'll scan box. Bam. Wow. Nice, really nice, and really quick and accurate. Video. In the video department, we do have 4K 60, which is astonishing in this price range. 4K 60. Also 8K. 8K in this price range. But 24 frames per second. It's not 30, it's 24, like I said. It's a very inexpensive teleprompter, so you can add text to it and just read it during the recording. You can change the size, you can change the speed. That is really cool. Of course, front-facing camera is only Full HD, is it? Is it only Full HD? Yes, it's only Full HD, and it does not have autofocus. But still, let me switch to 4K 30, and then wide angle. Do we have autofocus in wide angle lens? No, we don't. This is not a flagship. Photo, HDR is available, also tracking the face nicely. Beauty mode, also available. Okay, is it straight to the camera? Sorry, fine. All right. Beauty mode, of course, HDR, aspect ratio, motion, assist cam, guidelines. I will make a separate video, walk through the camera. So yeah, let me just skip the unimportant things. You will find everything in a separate video. Night 50 megapixel and director mode, which is really cool. Same director mode is in flagship. You can add more cameras as a monitor and stuff like that. My dear friend, let me show you some samples. And there will be a link in the description for you to download original samples without any compression. Well, the amount of filters is the same like in the flagship. Wow, impressive. Video stabilization test. That's pretty awesome. Zoom. Alright. Boat. A beautiful boat. A fantastic boat. Phenomenal boat. More boats. Plenty more. Welcome to Saint-Tropez. Nice. Fish. Do you see the fish? Tons and tons of fishes. Fishy, fishy, fishy. Big ones. Then what did we learn? And we learned that it came with a case, a 120-watt charger, a converter, and a SIM card tool. So it's better than most of the flagships with the accessories. It has the same processor than the latest flagship, same graphic card, same internal memory, beautiful screen, similar speakers. So what's the difference between 4 times more expensive flagship device? Camera. It is a great camera. It reminds me a 2021, 2022 flagship camera. Other than that, it's a flagship. So if you don't really care too much about the camera and you're gaming on the smartphone, your content consumption, that's your thing, this is it. For quarter of the price. That is crazy. How? I don't know. Link in the description, no additional cost, and a discount code for basically a free shipping. That's all I have. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Bye.